In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Amazon product link in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share a fantastic find with friends or promote a product through social media, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Sign In option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In to begin logging into your account. If you're already signed in, feel free to skip this step. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and click continue. Go ahead and do that. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Once you've done so, click sign in to access your Amazon account. Now that you're logged in and on your Amazon homepage, it's time to find the product you'd like to share. You can either type the product's name into the search bar for a direct approach, or browse through the categories if you're window shopping and stumble upon something interesting. Once you've found the product you want to share, click on it to open the product page. On this page, you'll find a wealth of information about the item, including customer reviews, item details, and purchasing options. But what we're interested in is the share icon, usually represented by a small arrow or linked chain symbol. Look for this icon and click on it. Upon clicking the share icon, you'll be presented with several options. To get a direct link to the product page, simply click on Copy Link. This will copy the URL of the product to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Now comes the easy part. Paste this copied link into your desired application or platform. This could be a text message, an email, or even a social media post. Just position your cursor where you want to paste the link, right click and select paste, or use shortcut keys like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And just like that, you've shared an Amazon product link. For those who want to share the product more interactively, Amazon offers options directly from the product page, such as sharing via email, Pinterest, Facebook, or even on the platform called X. Simply choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to post or send your link. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to share an Amazon product link with ease. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently share products with friends, family, or your online following. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.